October 2022, Nothing announced plans to open their first retail space in London's Soho district early in December. Now, I went to see for myself if indeed Nothing had something. Hey, I'm Tor, and this is my journey to the Nothing Store 1 and the 100 Earstick launch. I went down to check out the Nothing store to see work in progress, but there was nothing to see, of course, aside from some ear stick advertising and obviously Nothing branding on the storefront. Speaking to one of the builders, he did tell me that the store was opening in December officially, but I did get a peep inside, and no, that's not Carl Pei, sort of giving directions in the store. I headed back to the Nothing store to check the latest progress, and I can see there's ladders. Yes, Nothing Ladder 1 coming soon. But all joking aside, we can see there's a door handle now, and the door handle is basically a big white dot, and I'm told there's a secret on this handle, which I'll get to in the video later on. In addition, I also managed a very sneak peek inside, and we can see some shelving units, so things are progressing well. So I actually thought the store opened at 10 in the morning, and I didn't plan to being the first in the queue. So I got down there about 9:45, and there was nobody around. Like, there's no one queuing, no one staying overnight, like nothing. I thought, oh, it was nice and early and I'm the first. So then at about 10 o'clock, someone came to the shop, probably a store manager, to open up and check on things. But they told me the official opening time was 11:30 a.m., not 10. So I had like an hour and a half to kill. And I was like, well, since I'm here now, I might as well just stay in the queue since I was number one for the ear stick. So I did, and eventually some other people joined me. There was like three of us to start, three amigos. Then later on, there was a queue of about 20 or so people.
Good morning, guys.
Yay!
First 8, please.
Oh, first 8. Yay! Thank you. Inside at last. The store is actually smaller than I thought it would be, but the style and design has a kind of gallery, boutique-y type style, which is pretty cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You can smell the paint.
How are we doing, guys? All right?
Frozen, mate. Frozen. Yeah, those are cold. They're cold.
Thank you. How long were you outside for?
That's about an hour and a half, I think.
Sorry about that.
That's right, mate.
You're in now. You're in now. You're in now.
Yeah, that's thank you very much. How does it with the actual the 100 thing? Like, is it like in the actual order, or is it?
Yeah, it's an order, so
I
it's
got
first
the
come,
more?
first served. You get number 1, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, first come, first serve. You'll be number 1.
Yeah, get number 1.
Yeah.
You want to? Yeah, go for it.
I'll go for it, yeah. And go for it I did, hoping to score some of that never-before-seen branded merchandise at the Nothing store. However, the problem was that merchandise was nowhere to be seen in the store. For some reason, it was not in stock, and it was being shipped to customers sometime in the new year. So stay tuned, and hopefully I should get it. Options available were a tote bag and a t-shirt, or a tote bag and a cap. The t-shirt shown here wasn't actually for sale, and it was more of a kind of prototype to give you an idea of what they would look like.
Hello.
Don't mind if I get a photo of you with the product for our Instagram story.
Yeah, sure. Go for it. Go for it.
Our first customer.
Which is the best way to get the tell me? Like that,
Congrats, man.
okay. Anyway. Going the right way. Awesome. Thank you. There's a downstairs to the store, but it is closed off on the day. Now, nothing tells me it's an event space which can be used for anything really, like hosting workshops, community events, art exhibitions, you name it. Being in Soho, it's a good hub of activity, so it will be interesting to see how this space shapes up in the new year. It would be amazing to attend an event there for sure. Now, when I first saw this clock in some promotional images, I thought it was a dot matrix TV screen. It turns out it's a mechanical dot matrix made up of flip disks. Now, these change between black and white using magnets to make the picture, and it's quite fast that it can do animations as well. If you recall earlier on in this journey, I mentioned that the door handles contain a secret. Spoilers, fast forward, you've been warned. That secret? Well, if you look at the handle itself, you'll find a message embossed on it. I believe this is written in Braille and says, "Welcome to nothing when you arrive," and "Thanks for shopping" when you exit. What do you reckon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Nothing bag is plastic, so it's good for recycling. It's pretty cool. It's kind of see-through as well, so there's a stick. The bizarre thing is the actual logo of Nothing is a bit split, so you got Nothing on the other side, so it's kind of split. Definitely London, and this is store 1. So, I wonder, will they have store 2 and store 3, or will they have perhaps other locations? Would they have maybe New York? There's talks of opening up, Nothing into the US market soon, so who knows, maybe there'd be New York store 1. So yeah, we'll open her up, and we have, there's our stick, the 100 edition. So I've got a couple of stickers. That's a quick preview. I'll do another. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and why not subscribe too? What do you think of the Nothing store? Would you want to see one in your city? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and until my next Nothing video, stay glyphy.